Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am going to open my Ipsy bag with you today. Here it is here. I'm super excited. It came way earlier than it's been coming, which that kind of makes me happy because I get to get this video made and up much quicker now. So, yay! Alright, so here is the bag. It's pretty cute. It's got little lips on it. And it says, sealed with a kiss. Actually kind of cute. This is the card. And it says, celebrate Black History Month, buy black. So, and then the other side says, all you need is love and maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Beauty splurges, extra whipped cream, glossy red nails, you deserve it all. Get into this month's theme at Ipsy.com. So, I have an eye contour brush. It is very soft. This is worth $12. Meet your eyeshadow's new BFF. This lightweight, easy to use makeup brush has fluffy bristles that are perfectly designed for blending and buffing your shadows like a pro. No streaks or creases, just seamless color application. Very cool. I love brushes, you guys know that. And I will use that brush for sure. And I have two sheet masks, which you already know I love sheet masks. Shea Butter Nourishing Mask and Centella Repairing Mask. So those will get put to good use. I will definitely use those. Those are $6 per mask. And those are full size. So you do get full sizes in Ipsy. Just not very often. Let's see. So next I have I Love You First. And this is a little eyeshadow duo. Oh, can I open it? Oh, there we go. It is a cute little boring eyeshadow duo. I'm not going to swatch this because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon. Probably in the next couple months. And I'm going to keep this for that. Boring for me, but I'm sure somebody will love it. So, that's okay. Oh, and that is $10.99. $10.99 for this little sucker. I mean, it's cute. $10.99, sure. All right, and then this. Goodness gracious, get in here. Okay. Well, I don't know why it's coming out, but the next item is this cute little blush. And this is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $29. This is Shayna B Miami Blush in Brick Now. I probably put this in the giveaway. It's a really pretty color. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll try it out. We shall see. That says that the full-size product is $29. This is 3 grams. So this is, see, 30 divided by 5. So this is actually like $6 worth. And then we have a Nars Lip Pigment. This one was the one thing that I did want. And it is, I'm not going to put it on just because I don't want to waste it. But this is the one I want. I do know that much. So that is a beautiful color. Actually, maybe it will. Oh my goodness. This is like really pigmented. I have never used a Nars Lip. Never used a Nars Lip product before. I'm pretty sure I haven't. Alright, so right off the bat, this feels really, really dry. I mean, that's dry. That is not coming off. So, it's really dry. Don't know how it's gonna wear, but I'm excited for it. Full size version is 5.5 milliliters, and this is 0.2 milliliters. So 5.5, we'll say 6 divided by 3, that's 2. So 26 divided by 3 is what? 7. So we've got 7 plus 12, that's 19. Plus another 12 is 30. I don't know, we'll do this differently. 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. And then we have 31 plus like 3, so that's 34. Plus 34 plus 10. 44. They say that this is worth, oh, probably because of the bag, they say it's worth 50. So sure, I don't know that I'd pay $6 for the bag, but you know, hey, I still wouldn't have gotten these items if I hadn't have subscribed to Ipsy, the Ipsy bag. So excited about that. I do like this color. It's really pretty. Terrible application, but it looks pretty. So overall, I'm happy with this month's Ipsy black. Overall, I'm happy with this month's Ipsy bag. I'm going to put 2 of these items into the giveaway for my 3,000 followers on Instagram. So I'm excited about that. And if you are interested in getting into that, once I hit 4K, I'm going to have a huge giveaway. I'm already collecting all kinds of products for the giveaway. So if you want to get in on that, go follow me over on Instagram. Do me a favor, like this video down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and please, 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 comment, like the video, be my friend. No, I'm just kidding. Have a great night. Bye.